Welcome everyone, Cliff from Advanced Diagnostics. As you can see on the screen, our example vehicle for today is the Toyota Tundra USA 2022-2023 push button start. So this is your prox system, a Mobilizer 1224, recently added as a free update to the software ADS 2328. Now, some of the earlier models, they require the 1148. Both 1224 and 1148 are NASTF credential Toyota protocol subscription-based models. So in other words, you are going to need Toyota's website in order to process the codes. There's not bypass available for this particular system at present time. Now that may change in the future, but what we really need to speak about is active alarms, because if you do not have a working key to turn off the alarm, you do need to deactivate it, otherwise it's not going to speak to the system. So you will get a communication failed. So what you want to do is go to tips and hints. We just added this in. Please update your Smart Pro so that it has this information. Communication will fail if all keys are lost and the alarm goes off. The alarm needs to be deactivated first. So what you want to do is you cut an E key for the door lock. Open the door and wait for the alarm to silence. Then with the door open, lock and unlock, then shut the door, lock and unlock again. That will actually deactivate the alarm. Now I know this because I worked with a gentleman last week. We had part of the information from another source in our Smart Pro source support room. However, it didn't work. So we just slightly changed what we were doing, and this was the result. He went over it with me several times on how it actually worked this way. So try this out the next time you have a Toyota Tundra. Now, I don't know if this is going to extrapolate over to other vehicles, because some of these late model Toyotas, from what I understand, there is no known way to shut off the alarm. So, but today's video is specifically for the Tundra. You could try it on other vehicles. If it's a Lexus or a Toyota that is not shutting off the alarm through this method, there may be another. So just make note of this, but once again, it's in your tips and hints. Get used to taking advantage of the left-hand side of this screen. Once again, I've said this many times, a lot of people just don't look at tips and hints. Now, some vehicles may not have any information there. And by the way, to get the tips and hints information, you do need to use your Wi-Fi for the download and not the AD loader. All right, that's my message today. I hope you found this helpful. I really look forward to seeing you again, and I thank you for watching.